Hello everybody, in this video I want to show you this new Orient diver watch. So let's open the box.
The watch looks amazing. The dial is matte with a faint starburst pattern and large, round dots for hour markers. Its hardiness is enhanced by a sapphire crystal, screwed-down crown, and 200 meters water resistance that all work to keep it ticking, rain or shine. The offset positioning of the crown at 4 o'clock also offers superior wrist comfort. Like the Neptune, the RA-AC0K showcases powerful, lasting luminous on the hands, hour markers, and pip of the bezel. This piece have automatic movement with caliber F6722 with 22 joules, with hack function of the mechanism.
The case is with diameter from 43.4 mm and from lug to lug is 51 mm. The bezel can rotate only in one direction, to the left, which is typical of diving watches. The watch comes with an original box, documents and warranty card. Don't forget to subscribe for our channel. Thank you for the watching.